live on a small lake in Minnesota. One year our trapper got COVID and our beaver population got out of control. So my husband convinced me this was something I should learn to do. I ordered 2 330 conibear traps and watched how-to videos. I trapped around our giant beaver lodge and to my surprise had success. Suddenly I had to watch videos how to skin also. My second beaver was 43 pounds and my husband had it tanned for me as a Christmas present. Paddling across the lake every day to check traps provided spectacular sunsets and time well spent outdoors. Fast forward to the next spring after I got the pelt back. I picked out a straight, tall willow tree and tried my hand at making a hoop. The bark peeled surprisingly easy, and I was able to bend a hoop and guess a good size before securing the hoop with paracord. This was a fun project to work on at our cabin up north. I decided to use a natural looking lashing and I found rawhide on eBay. I secured the hoop ends using what is called a ring knot. An awl tool and tweezers helped with this process. I used jute twine to secure 4 corners of the pelt. Next, I started to lace the pelt onto the hoop with the rawhide. The lacing process took me about 4 hours. The pelt edges were surprisingly strong, so I felt reinforcing fabric was unnecessary. I was able to stretch the pelt enough to flatten out the rump area, which can sometimes look droopy. Keep in mind, after lacing it on, you have to go all the way back around and tighten each loop. Now, all I have left is to sew up the leg holes.